Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down until you will find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's enter it and tap on Show Your Data. And as you can see, right in front we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, and you can check that I've been using it for 5 minutes. What's more, the graph will show the app on which you've spent the most of the time. You've got also the unlock and notifications count. And right now we can act using two different ways. So we can, for example, tap just in the middle of this graph, and thanks to this we will be transferred to the weekly graphs, which will show us for how long we've been using the device in particular days. And under it we've got the list of apps which have been opened and which you've been using. And you can also go back and tap on particular app, for example the settings, and right now we've got the graph which will display the usage of particular app, in my case of course settings, during the week, which is quite a cool option. So of course you can tap on unlocks and the notifications. It's up to you what you want to check. And under it we've got the ways to disconnect. We've got the dashboard, bedtime and focus mode, which is a cool option if you need, for example, time for yourself, you need to study, you need to work, or you just want to rest and do not have to have connection with anyone. So you can enter the focus mode. And let me tap on it and show you. Here we've got the list of apps, and if you know that you're receiving the most notifications from particular apps, for example Chrome, Facebook, Instagram and so on, you can mark them. So for example those, and you can set a schedule, so your device will limit their notifications and the activity of those apps between the start and end time, which you can of course peak and on particular days. So that's quite a cool option, because your device will automatically limit the notifications and you won't be bothered. So I highly recommend to enter the focus mode and set it. And under it we've got also the reduce interruptions, so we can manage notifications or enter the not disturb mode. We can also enter parental controls if you need. So actually this is it. This is how to check the total screen time in your SONY Xperia 5 Mark III. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.